they say that when you plan, you are 50% done. No? In this case, or in some other aspects, when you identify the problem, you already solve 50% of your project, or you already solved 50%. You're already at 50%. So, yeah. Realizing it's leaning, di ba? Leaning Tower of Pisa, and hoping faith alone keeps it up. Faith's powerful, di ba? But even God gave Noah measurements for the ark. Faith isn't a license for chaos, di ba? It's not just say like, okay, God will fix whatever the things that I mess up. It's not like that, di ba? It's about God gives me wisdom to build well, right? He gives us the wisdom and the opportunity to finish well. Planning with faith, di ba, is like designing with resilience. So resilience here, meaning you weather the weather. Kaya nga, sabi nila, weather lang, di ba? So resilience in mind, knowing that storms will come, di ba? Challenges, failures, and whatnot, di ba? But your foundation will hold. Ever see a system crash because one dependency failed? Life's also the same. We don't plan to avoid all failures. We plan so that when failure happens, the whole thing doesn't go down. That's why backup plans matter.